Hello everyone, welcome back to GIS and RS Solution channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create noise level or noise pollution map for your study area. For instance, you have measured or collected noise pollution data of your study region and you have the GPS of your sample location. Therefore, how you will arrange this data in the Excel sheet based on the GIS shapefile, and how to join this data and how to portray the noise pollution level and prepare a final noise map. For your practice purposes, I have given the data used in this video in the description section of this video. Anyway, let's get started. You can see here noise monitored location and noise level data, and here is my study area, total 64 districts of Bangladesh. I have arranged all the data here. ID, noise level data in decibel. Here is our sample locations, total 64 monitoring location. I have collected noise level data from 64 districts of Bangladesh. You have to arrange according to FID, arrange in Excel. FID, your Excel FID and shapefile FID must be same. You can see here in the attribute table the FID according to this serial I have arranged in Excel. After that, save this file as save as type. Save as type will be CSV MS-DOS and then save. Yes. You can see over here the Excel file that I have saved as MS-DOS format, and now I will join this Excel into the ArcMap. First of all, I will add that Excel file in here. If I go to attribute table, then you can see here FID, district name, sample location, and noise level data. Now I will join this data into this file. For that, go to join and then join data. Choose the field in this layer that the join will be based on. I will join this data according to FID, and here also FID, and here noise data of 64 district, and then OK. And if you go to open attribute table, and then you can see our data has been joined. Yes, the data has been joined according to FID or our monitoring location. I'm uncheck level from here and go to Arc toolbox and then spatial analyzed tools and then interpolation and then IDW, and you can see this window, and add noise sampling location as input point features, and Z value will be the noise data of 64 district CSV file. And then go to environments and then processing extent, and from extent select same as layer as Bangladesh district, as it is my shapefile, I mean study area boundary. And then raster analysis, and marks data will be the study area boundary. And then okay and okay. You can see the interpolation has been done successfully, and I'm uncheck the Bangladesh district, and also and anyway and go to level feature. These are my noise monitoring location. You can check or you can uncheck. Anyway, right click on the map and then go to properties, and you can change the layer name. I'm going to change the layer name as noise level of uh, dBA, I mean decibel. And then go to symbology, and you can increase or decrease the classes. I have selected 6 classes, and you can change the color. I have selected this color, and then okay. You can change the fraction value after a point. For doing that, right click and then format labels, and 3, you can see it has been done accordingly, and okay. My sampling location I have checked, and also Bangladesh district shapefile. You can decrease the line density, and also you can change the outline color. You can check label feature, so that your study location name will be appeared. And now I will prepare map layout, and it is pretty simple. Just follow the step that I am doing. First, map title. So I'm going to write noise level of 64 district in Bangladesh, then change symbol. You can increase or decrease the size, style, and then okay. Noise level of 64 district in Bangladesh, and then insert uh, north arrow. You can choose any symbol from here, and then legend. Next, legend title, noise level, and then you can increase the size of legend title, and then next and finish. You can show this legend in horizontally. To do that, just select and then go to style and click heading, and then go to properties, and after that angle of text above the bar and angle of text below the bar, and then general arrangement. You can select that you want to show in the map, and then okay. You can see it is not pretty clear, so I'm going to change the legend style. And to do that, go to properties and then again style and then properties, and here angle of text above the bar will be 90 degrees and then text below the bar will be 90 degrees, and then click OK. And now you will see, now it looks good than before. You can increase the size of the number, and to do that, select all, and then I'm going to keep it as 16. So I think now it is okay. You can check this boundary shape file or sampling location or uncheck. It depends on you how you want to see your map. Now scale bar and properties, and then division units, I'm going to keep it as kilometer, and label position I've selected below center, and then OK, and then OK. So a scale bar has done. And then grid, new grid, and next appearance labels only, and then next, and then properties, and then again go to properties and here levels and size 9, and then level orientation, I'm selecting left and right, and level offset, you can increase or decrease, then OK. You can increase or decrease the size of the grid intervals, x axis 2, y axis 2, and then OK. Level feature, I have checked the level feature of sampling locations, I mean noise monitoring locations, or you can uncheck. I have checked the location name. Well, I hope this video will help you to perform how to make noise level map for your selected region. If you have any queries, just write me in the comments section. uh anyway, I'm trying to share my geospatial knowledge with you guys so that you can learn and use this in your academic and professional life. If you find this channel helpful, please like and do subscribe. Stay safe, take good care of you. Thank you.